Introducing aPriori.
So going into how we worked with the CO2 calculations, this picture is a little bit looking in the mirror. I mean, why we started to work with aPriori. So if you look here, you see the turtle, and it indicates, of course, that this is a pretty slow process. That we did the design, we did the FAM analysis, we were happy, we sent it out to the purchaser sent it out to the supplier. We waited maybe 3-4 weeks, then we got the reply of the cost. And then we did it a couple of times. And that, of course, it takes a long time. Quite normal when you got the cost feedback. The time is you're so far away in the project that it's really hard to do something to improve. So you only have to accept it. So then our idea that we're going with aPriori, that I mean, okay, then we can get the analysis right away, and for sure we can save at least one loop here. By sending this also a DFM prepared design as well, so then we can save a loop.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.